Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 15 July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are ramping up supply and showing the way out. We'll discuss the first topic in our today's video. So, before getting into our today's topic, let's just have a small look on the second topic given. Showing the way out. Nepal has a new Prime Minister after the Supreme Court overrules Mr. Oli again. Okay, means Nepal they had a new regiment. It means like a new Prime Minister they have attached, and the Supreme Court has also regained their powers against the Mr. Oli to do it again, means to take over the case again. In what must be a deja vu moment for outgoing Prime Minister KP Oli and President Bidya Devi Bhandari. The Supreme Court of Nepal set aside the dissolution in May of the House of Representatives. Okay, means the deja vu moment is going to take for the Prime Minister KP Oli and for the President Bidya Devi Bhandari. So the Supreme Court of Nepal they have set a solution in the May for the House of only for the representatives. Okay, well, let's get into our today's topic. Ramping up supply. Spikes, dips in vaccination rates are normal, but India needs to guard against slackening. Okay, see here the meaning for the word spikes and slackening. Spikes it means incite, excite or inflame. Spikes means incite, excite or inflame, or we can say ramp up or provoke or rise. Okay, means to inflame means to increase something in their order or in their work. Okay, well, slackening. Slackening it means loosen, relax or slow down. Loosen, relax or slow down. Well, so the spikes and the dips means the rising or dips in the vaccination rates are now at present they were normal, means future we can need more or whatever that happens. The India needs to be guarded against going to the wrong way. Okay, means against losing everything. Except losing, we have to be guarded before and we have to take measurements. Means facilities. Less than a month after the center revised its vaccination policy and took over the responsibility of vaccine procurement from the states, old worries of a supply constraint appear to have resurfaced. See here the meaning of the word procurement. It means purchase or acquisition. Procurement means purchase or acquisition. Okay, so here they are saying after means less than the month, the center they have to take against or taking upon the vaccination policy, and they have to take the responsibility of the vaccine purchase from different states, or they have to go against the constraint, means the supplies of the resurfaced areas and the vaccines. The center's CoWIN database shows that the weekly pace of vaccination has declined to nearly 60% of what was seen in the week after June 21st, causing several states, particularly in South India, to complain of a shortage. Okay, see, means the center's CoWIN, according to the database of the center, the weekly pace, it's saying about the vaccination that has declined nearly to the 60% rate after the week of July 21st, which has caused several states, like particularly coming to the South India, means down from near Hyderabad, states: Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Bangalore, so like these states, and they complained upon the shortage of the vaccines. Okay, on June 21st, the first day of a new policy, 91 lakh doses were administered, and until June 27, it was about 4 crore. The period July 5th to 11th says only 2.3 crore vaccine doses dispensed. See, here dispensed, it means distribute, hand out, or allocate. Dispense means distribute, hand out, or allocate means distributed. Okay, so when on June 21st, the first day, that day, so nearly 91 lakh doses of vaccines were administered, means were taken, and coming to the June 27th means nearly 6 days, so in 1 week or 6 days, they were nearly recorded 4 crore doses that were administered, means that was taken by all 4 crores. But in the period of from July 5th to July 11th, these 6 days, we have seen only 2.3 crore people were taken to the vaccines. Only these 2.3 crore doses were only distributed. The center's move to take over vaccine administration followed a chaotic April-May when the second wave roiled India with unprecedented ferocity. This was also the time that saw a surge in vaccine demand and the country being unable to deliver because of the underestimation of the need and demand. The heady week of June 21 to 27 saw 60 lakh vaccines a day becoming the norm. However, the last time India crossed that daily figure was July 3rd. At least 86 lakh doses have to be administered every day if all Indian adults are to be fully vaccinated by the year end. Beginning this week, the daily doses have again slipped to 30 to 40 lakh, though this is better than in May when India struggled to provide even 20 lakh doses a day. Well, let's see the meanings in this para. Chaotic, it means calm, like disorganized, disarray, or turbulent. Disorganized, disarray, or turbulent. Roiled, agitated, raging, or churning. Roiled means agitated, raging, or churning. And ferocity, it means to behave in a wild manner. Simply means brutality, violence, or cruelty. Brutality, violence, or cruelty. Inoculate, inject, jab, or vaccinate. Not drop, jab. Inject, jab, or vaccinate. Okay, means the center is going to administrate, or they have to follow a rule from April to May when the second wave it has spoiled India, and now they are going to not they are not going to suffocate. Okay, so this is the time when when the vaccine demand in the country has been delivered because only of the need and on the demand. So from June 21st to 27, we have seen nearly 60 lakh vaccines of a day has taken, and the last time India has also crossed nearly by the date of July 3rd. So by then at least 84 lakh doses has been administered only by all the Indian adults, and they have fully vaccinated by the end of the year. So beginning the week only they have slipped to the 30 to 40 lakh, though this was better. Okay, then looking in the month of May, this in July they have increased. Okay, so and it has provided even 20 lakh doses a day. It's there, seriously. There are two major concerns with this slackening pace. One, India still has managed to inoculate only 33% of its adult population with at least one dose. Just about 8% have been fully vaccinated. At this rate, it is impossible for the center to deliver on its stated goal of inoculating all Indian adults by the year end. Second, the signs are apparent everywhere of an uptick in cases. The US, the only country with more cases than India, after a month of reporting less than 15,000 cases a day in now, like India seeing over 40,000 cases a day. The center continues to put the onus on states for planning but does not address a concern of inadequate vaccine supplies. While daily vaccination rates will see spikes and dips, aggressive publicity measures and campaigns are necessary to boost vaccination, as we seen in end of June. The center and states must work towards sprucing this up. Well, this is our today's topic. Thank you.